In this video, I'll show you how to save and manage contacts in AnyDesk using the address book, step by step. If you connect to the same remote devices often, this is one of the easiest ways to stay organized, save time, and avoid typing the same AnyDesk ID again and again. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to add a contact manually, choose the right address book, and even save a recent session in just a few clicks. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's get started. First, before you do anything else, make sure you're signed in to your AnyDesk account. This is important because the address book feature is only available when you're logged in. If you're not signed in, you may not see the option at all, so confirm your account access first. Now, open AnyDesk on your computer. Once the app is running, look to the top right corner of the window and click the menu icon. This opens the main options inside AnyDesk. From that menu, select Address Book. This will take you to the place where you can store and organize your remote devices and contacts. At the top left of the address book area, click My Address Book. Here you can choose which address book you want to use. For example, you may want to save the contact in your personal address book, or in a shared team address book if you're working with other people. Choosing the right address book keeps everything neat and makes it easier to find devices later. Next, click Add Entry. This is the option you'll use to create a new contact manually. After that, you'll need to enter the contact details. Type in the remote device's AnyDesk ID and then add a display name for that device. Try to use a clear and consistent naming style so you can identify each computer quickly. For example, you might name it by the person, department, or location. A good naming system saves time later, especially if you manage multiple devices. If AnyDesk prompts you to select a target address book, choose the correct one where you want the contact saved. This step matters because the contact will only be organized properly if it's stored in the right place. Once everything looks correct, click OK to save the new contact. Your device should now appear in the address book, ready for quick access whenever you need it. Now, there's also another useful option if you've already connected to a device recently. If you want to save it without retyping the AnyDesk ID, go back to the home screen in AnyDesk. Under Recent Sessions, find the device you connected to before. Then click the three dots next to that session and select Add to Address Book. This is a fast way to save contacts from your recent activity. After that, choose the address book you want, enter a display name, and click OK to save it. This method is especially helpful when you're managing repeat connections and want to build your contact list faster. And that's it. You've now learned how to save and manage contacts in AnyDesk using the address book. Whether you're adding a device manually or saving one from a recent session, this feature helps keep your remote access organized and efficient. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.